In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Authenticator for your Gmail account. As cyber threats continue to evolve, securing our digital presence has never been more critical. Two-factor authentication is one of the most effective ways to protect your accounts, and Google Authenticator is a popular tool for this purpose. Let's dive into how you can set it up for your Gmail account. First, you'll want to have the Google Authenticator app installed on your smartphone. It's available for both Android and iOS devices, so head to your respective app store and download it if you haven't already. Once it's successfully installed, we're ready to go. Next, let's head over to your computer and open up your web browser. You'll need to be signed into your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, head to the Google account settings. You can find this by clicking on your profile picture or initial in the top right corner of the Gmail page and selecting Manage your Google account. Once you're in your account settings, look for the security option on the left-hand side of the screen and click on it. In the security section, you'll find two-step verification. Click on that to get started with setting it up. If you haven't set up two-step verification before, you'll be guided to get everything set up initially using your phone number for authentication. After setting that up, scroll down the page until you see the Authenticator app option. This is where the Google Authenticator app comes into play. Click on Set Up and follow the instructions. You'll be asked to specify the type of phone you have as a part of this setup process. Next, you need to open the Google Authenticator app on your smartphone. In the app, select the option to add an account, which you can usually find represented by a plus sign. You'll have two options, to scan a QR code or manually enter a setup key. The QR code is a quick way to get things rolling, so if you can, choose that. Your computer screen should display a QR code, and with your phone, you simply scan this code. If, for any reason, you're unable to use the QR method, there will also be an option to enter details manually. The screen will provide you with a key to type into your phone. Once you've done this on your phone, the Authenticator app will start generating codes for your Gmail account. Go back to your browser and enter the code displayed in the app to verify and complete the setup. You'll see a notification letting you know everything's set up, and you're done. It's important to remember that from now on, every time Google requires you to verify your identity, you will need to open the Authenticator app to access the unique code. It's a great extra layer of security to help keep your Gmail account safe. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I hope you feel more secure with your Gmail account now that you've set up Google Authenticator. Stay safe online.